Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Black Myth Wukong for free. So there's a website called OG Snags, and they have like coupon codes for all this stuff, Hulu, Starbucks, eHarmony, but today we're doing Black Myth Wukong code so we can get the game for free. So just type in black, and as you can see, Black Myth Wukong, press on it. And then as you can see, it says using this code, you can unlock Black Myth Wukong for free. So go ahead and press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. So once it loads up, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code. And it's going to bring us over to this page right here. And it's going to ask us what do we like the most about shopping at Amazon. So you just want to make sure, guys, that you are honest with your answer. It doesn't really make a difference, honestly. But I don't know. I'm just going to do super fast shipping. So now we need to enter our email address. So make sure you guys enter an email that you can regularly access because they're going to send the code to this email. All right, so next up, you can see it says activating your reward. And we need to register, guys. So this is a pretty simple step. We just got to fill in all our information. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. I'm just going to type this in. All right. So you got to do this because they need to make sure you're a real person. They're not just going to give out Black Myth Wukong codes to anyone. So let me just go ahead and fill this in right here as you can see. All right, so I'm just typing this in. All right. So it's pretty easy, honestly. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in. So anyway, guys, the next thing we have to do is the survey, guys. So this is pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So we need to go ahead and complete this survey. It's pretty simple. A lot of you guys probably know how to do these questions, but I'm just going to answer it, get the whole thing done, just to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we're just answering all the questions. All right. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right. So I'm just answering all of these. Okay. And then we should be all set. So let's just go ahead and do this right here as you can see. All right. So I'm just answering all of these. Pretty epic, to be honest with you. So after you do this, you should be done. And I'm just going to answer all these. So at the end, it's going to say I agree and continue. So press these. And what it's going to do, guys, is bring you to the final step. So let's just wait for this to load here. So as you can see, it's going to say like that everything is done. So let's just wait and check it out. All right, so survey is done. Optional offers are finished. So the final thing we need to do is the deals, which is pretty easy. It's like these apps you download and stuff. I'll show you guys right here. So yeah, this is not hard at all. So basically they have these like deals and you have to do one of the deals. So they have this like Monopoly Go one. You have to reach level 18 on Monopoly Go. It's pretty easy. And as you can see, it costs $0 to do. So after you complete the deals, you'll be good to go. You can see it says complete one deal to continue. So you do the deal, and then the Black Myth Wukong code should be sent to your email. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.